Hello people and welcome back to AKwon DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road encounters ever caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a crazy crash that happened right in front of the camera. Luckily, the one involved in it was not seriously injured.
The movie Predator.
Right, yeah.
From this, because when I was a kid I saw it and I was like, oh, that's cool. The Predator thing can see heat or whatever, what would it be, thermodynamic
Hottiness.
properties?
In this video, you'll see how a driver with a fragile ego reacts when being overtaken by a semi-truck. Instead of letting it all go and minding his own business, this guy started to race up and down the road.
Fuck? What the hell?
Make sure you check your side view mirrors first before merging onto the road. Don't do like this driver here and needlessly endanger yourselves and others.
God damn it.
Crazy driver ran a red light, and out of all the people in traffic, he cut off a police officer.
Ooh. Okay.
Camera was caught in the middle of a road rage between a semi-truck driver and another driver, who were passing each other for no reason and cutting each other off. The best thing you can do in a situation like this is to keep a safe distance as not to get involved yourself.
He's gonna drive and flip him off. He's getting his finger ready. I'm gonna stay back because I think something's gonna happen. If the truck driver side's like, I'm out of meth. I was gonna get in front of him. Let this truck go. He wants out.
전화 안 받았지?
제가 자기 우리 살짝 받은 것 같은데? 오 마이.
오.
아, 이 차들이 많아.
But I get it. I get it.
오!
You're the worst dad ever!
Không cho mấy trang nghèo không? Đủ mấy cái thằng đó. Đó đủ má cái có đèn chụp hình nó cho chích cha nó đi. Đó.
You know what I mean, Mama? That will set my whole family down for life. You know what I mean? Like until they can't. But even if they run out of money, like oh I thought that was a
Oh, what happened à?
it's not a grenade. It was
係我個包我卡卡啊！邊個掉㗎？
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.